about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
I promise you, if you watch to the end of this video, you haven't actually been on the train ride from Ibadan to Lagos or from Abeokuta to Lagos, you can as well claim you have been on it. It might seem boring, but it's just for you to get an exact picture of how the train ride is. Watch to the end.
Because of time.
Okay, so this is the ticket booth where you make payments for your train ticket. You know, like I said in the last caption, there's no POS here. You have to make actual cash payments. You cannot make bank transfers. You cannot do any online transaction. It has to be cash. And while paying cash, you need to show a means of ID, proof of identity. It could be driver's license, voter's card, national ID, whichever one. They're not going to take it. They just want to see it and then go ahead issuing you the ticket. You know, I wish I could have used the first class or the business class, but at the time that I had here, I couldn't even make any option. This had the shortest queue. I just rushed at it and I did the payment instantly. From making the payment, you'd have to register your name. So with basic details, you know, where you're coming from, where you're going to, your next of kin, your coach number, and the coach number is written on the ticket. You know, that's like C5. This train has 10 coaches. That's, if I remember well, yes, there are 3 coaches for the business class and 5 coaches for the standard class. And the business class costs about 4,000, yeah. The standard is 2,600 naira. This entrance leads to the actual railway station, like the train tracks themselves, where you actually hop into the train. This is a baggage carousel. I don't know if it worked at the time of launch, but I've seen people just walk by it, like the city scanners don't work or something. Okay, so at this point, it was about 7:56 or 57 a.m. The guy by the coach was already checking his time, and I was going the wrong direction. I was on coach 5. It was the other side. And I heard their prompts. They don't care if you're by the door. Once it's 8 a.m., they'll shut it and then they'll keep moving. Oh my god, I almost tripped and hurt my ankle at point of running. Now guess the time. Getting here has been a horrendous experience. I'll never again. This, I'm just catching my breath now. Oh, there's a movie going on. Okay. So I would say if you don't have a personal vehicle,
you cannot get to this place, to this train station. So I don't know how people are able to beat everything on the road to get here before the time the train leaves. Like I ran. And it's not like I came out late. No, I didn't come out late. This place is just too far from. This place is just too far from town. That's the problem. That's why I said if you don't have a personal vehicle, navigating to this place is just going to be tough because it's not a straight. It's not like you can get you can always use an Uber, but it's going to cost a fortune.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Please mind the gap between the doors and the platform. We look forward to serving you again.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke.
They don't serve meals on the train, and it's not yet. Let's say the train ride is let's say it's calm and a little bit satisfying. It's slow. It's very slow. Super slow. You could probably sleep off for like, let's say 4 or 5 hours, wake up, still be on the train to work. Like so many people have slept off. I'm sure they think when they wake up they'll be in Lagos. Nah. I don't know if I was able to capture the guys that are sleeping. Oh, Lagos. Oh, Ibadan. On the plus side, if you're the kind of person to reflect, make plans, this is like the perfect place to do it, Case peaceful. So you can just sit down, get your pen or your journal, start scribbling stuff. Okay, this is what this man is doing. I didn't even see him. I mean, he resonates with what I'm saying right now, consciously. So yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I almost can see why people would opt for this, even if this is more expensive than the average bus ride. For an average person, this is quite pricey. But then again, with the ambience here, and hey, the dimension here is actually chilling. Like it's cold. Like it's cold. If you go further up or further down towards the entrance exit, it's super cold. I don't know why. When I went to the restaurant, I was so chilled. Like I was so chill. When you go here, it felt like here was a boiler compared to how there is.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing.
Make another stop. I missed here, so I did not hear anything. So I don't know why we stopped here. I can't see anybody on the inside of the waiting room. Okay, we didn't pick or they didn't pick anybody. Okay. So we've gotten to where that doesn't look like you're about to get kidnapped. It's uphill from here, I guess.
Nothing can break me.
So we just got to Ibadan. stop at Agege station. The train trip has ended.
Like I said, if you watched this video to the end, you'd feel like you were actually on the ride with me from beginning to the end. I'm looking around because I'm actually waiting for my ride, and I think I just saw him now.